whenever you're copying a formula, you can either do an absolute or a relative referencing. For example, over here, let's say I want each and every item to have a discount of about 10. So what I can do is, let me just change all of these to dollar signs first. So I'm going to press dollar right here. Or you can also go and choose other currencies over here if you want. So I'm going to change all of these into dollar, and I want to decrease the value by $10 each. So I'm going to say the discount will be 10. So I'm going to press equals, and I'm going to select this one right here, this formula, B2 minus 10. All right, so there you go, and there you go, I got the discounted price. So you can simply copy and drag it out, and you can see that all of the prices, the discounted will be $10 less. So you can see that this is a relative reference. So in the first column, you can see that B2 is my reference right now. And if I were to go over here, C2. And then if I were to go here, then it's D2 minus 10 and so forth. So this is relative because all of these are actually being copied from the respective cells right here. But let's say I want absolute referencing. Let's say I want to decrease each and every item by 25% each, just like this. So I want everyone to be decreased by 25%. So let's say I'm going to remove this out right now. So I'm going to go over here into discount, press equals right here, and I'm going to say this multiplied by, that's the asterisk signs right here, and this percentage right here. So I get the discounted price right here. So I want to add in the formula just like this. So I'm going to say total price minus, and inside brackets I'm going to say this multiplied by 25% and bracket close. So I get the discounted price right here. But if I were to drag this across just like this, I want this to be decreased by 25% as well, but it is actually taking the value from this area right here, which is something which I do not want. I want an absolute reference in this case. That is, I want the formula to reference the 25% itself. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use something called absolute referencing. So in my case, this is taking B6 as the reference. So I'm just going to go over here and press the keyboard shortcut F4. So if I were to press that, you can see that now $B$6 is being applied. So you can also manually type this, and that actually means that I'm going to take an absolute reference even if I copy the formula in other rows, just like the rows and columns. So I'm going to press enter, and I'm going to click and drag, and now you can see that every value has been decreased by 25%, just like this, and it is taking B6 as the reference point. That's the absolute reference, just like this. So instead of having to copy the formula over and over again, you can simply use the absolute reference so that it's easier for you to copy formulas. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.